welcome to my channel. I'm trying to get this thing irks me. Finally, goodness gracious. Hi everybody, happy Monday. I'm actually late. I didn't go to work this morning because I was not feeling good at all. So now I'm on my way for my afternoon shift. Yeah, I was feeling really sick yesterday, and maybe because I didn't really sleep much when we were camping. Let me get my glasses. Yeah, just about, well, Damani wasn't sick, but Damon wasn't feeling good. The baby, little Damon wasn't feeling good as well. So I don't know, yesterday when we got home, I just really laid down and took some emergency and Tylenol. Yeah, but this morning, damn, these glasses. This morning, I just really wasn't for going to work. I just said, you know what, I'm gonna have to chuck this one up. So I'm on my way to work now. Let's bag it up. Yeah, matter of fact, I am finna go get it. I'm gonna go get this thing, y'all. Sorry, I'm getting back in the tree. I'm gonna go get my mount. So you gotta wait. Okay, y'all. I went back and got my little mount thing that I bought from Best Buy. This thing actually works really good, and I really like it. It's very stable from what I'm noticing. Yeah, I like it. So now I don't have to be holding the camera and worrying about the camera falling. Well, at least it's GoPro. I don't have to worry about that. But yeah, it's pretty good. So for me, this was a really good investment. Of course, it is hot in this car. This was a pretty good investment for me. And then I could just adjust it however I want it. Let me see, I kind of want to do it like that, I think. Yeah. Or it's way, I mean, the other little car mount thing I have is cool, it's good, it works really good, but I kind of want to sit it a little higher, but I can't. It's stuck to my windshield. And this little car mount thing was $20. Not bad at all. And you can actually mount it to like the side of your car. Like if I wanted to get outside footage or whatever, I can mount it to like the side of the car, and it's supposed to stay. I looked at some videos and pretty good reviews. So yeah. I got my, how much I paid for this shirt? This is another shirt from Sam's Club, that clearance haul that I did. I think this shirt was $4, I believe. This is, the brand is Green Tea. I think that's the brand. Super soft. I love this brand because their clothes is like really, really soft. But what I do notice is when you wash it, you start getting those little balls and stuff on it. The fabric start balling up or whatever, like the cotton balls. But other than that, it's a really nice shirt. I pulled my Uggs out. No, today is gonna be 68, but I decided to pull them out and wear them with this little outfit. And on some capri leggings with my mid, I guess they call these the mid Uggs, I think, because they have some that actually are tall, the tall ones. I have them too, but today I got on the gray mid Uggs. Yeah, like when we got back, everybody was feeling really sick. I started feeling sick after we ate at that restaurant. Now, I'm I'm not sure if it was just like the weather, change in weather, because on our campsite it was very, very windy. Not as windy as it was the last time we went, but it was, the wind was blowing and it was cold all night. I did not sleep good because little Damon kept on hollering about he was cold and he couldn't get back in the sleeping bag. So I did not sleep really. So I started looking at Netflix, which I was totally surprised and shocked that it even played, because out there you don't really have much Wi-Fi, and I know how my phone operated. I was super shocked that I could even play that. So I started looking at Windward. Yeah, a little prison show. If y'all ever seen, they leave that at the bottom. Windward is really, really, really good. And I think this is the last season. I think, I'm not 100% sure, but I think there are like 6 or 7 seasons. If you got Netflix, check it out. It is really good show. It starts off slow, but as you watch it, is really, really good. So yeah, that's what I did. And of course I fell asleep a little bit on it, but then, like I said, Damon woke me up, so I really didn't get any rest. So yeah, that was the whole camp thing. So now I'm on the hunt for some more camp stuff, camp gear. I want a bigger tent. Now we do, like I said earlier, we have 2 tents. We have one instant tent. It's a 6-person tent. That's the one we took. And we have another tent that holds, I think it holds 12 people. That's the tent that I really, really like, but it takes so long to put it up. It's not an instant tent. That thing takes forever to put together, but I like it because it's so big. So I'm on a hunt to find a bigger tent, because if I'm gonna do like the bathroom thing like I did, we need the extra side, because it was okay the way we did it this time, but clearly it wasn't enough room. So yeah, I want to try to find another tent, a bigger tent, a bigger instant tent. That's what I should say, because not just any tent. I want an instant tent, because an instant tent you can put together in maybe 20 minutes, all depending on how you take it back down. If you take it like we did, ours was a little tangled up, but if you take it down right, you won't have that problem. You know, but yeah, I want to find another tent. I wouldn't mind finding like a heater, maybe a battery operated heater. I want to find cookware. And another thing I want to get is a portable projector. I want to get one of those too. Just like when we get ready to go to bed and, you know, we ain't sleepy, we could just, you know, look at some movies, you know, or while we're actually camping or whatever, and, you know, we could look at some movies. Yeah, that's about it. But I most definitely want to find some clearance camp stuff. Oh, and that Walmart we went into, we always find good stuff at that Walmart, but because we got there so late, we wasn't able to look at the clearance stuff. But my brother said that they found all kind of good stuff. T-shirts, underwear, $3. Comforter sets, super cheap. But we didn't have time to look, so we missed out on that. So yeah, that's about it.